Welcome to Digital Nikitha. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a back to top button in Elementor on your WordPress site. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to the page you want to edit. Click on Edit with Elementor. Search for the button widget in the Elementor panel. Drag and drop it to the bottom of the page. Go to the Content tab. Click on the icon and select Icon Library. Choose an up arrow icon. Delete the default Click Here text. Go to the Style tab. Under Background Type, choose White. Select your desired button color. Clear the background color under Background Type. Go to Typography and increase the size by adjusting the size slider. Scroll up to Positioning and select Right to align the button to the right. Go back to the Content tab. In the link field, type #top. Scroll to the beginning of your content. Search for the Menu Anchor widget in the Elementor panel. Drag and drop it to the top of the page. In the ID field of the menu anchor, type Top. Click the Update button. That's it. You've successfully added a Back to Top button to your Elementor page, but fix the button position. Go to the Advanced tab, go to Margin and set -149 for the top margin. Go to Position and select Fixed. Under Horizontal Orientation, select Left. Under Vertical Orientation, select Bottom. Update your page. Click the Update button to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully added a Back to Top button to your Elementor page, and now it's fixed in position. When users click the button, they will be smoothly scrolled back to the top of the page. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos.